Hello students and welcome to another video for your favorite English school. We have Unit 7 today. We are going to work on our beginner's book and we will be covering the grammar part. Let's begin and pay a lot of attention. Today we're going to be talking about question words. For example, what, who, or why. We have also questions in simple present. For example, what bus do you take? The answer would be, I take route 2. Okay, so we have different question words and they indicate different things, different ideas. For example, the word what is when we ask for objects, things, animals, or ideas. For example, what is this? What is this? It's a car. If you notice, car is an object. It's a thing. Object. The next one is where. For example, where indicates or asks for places or location. In the example, where's the nearest hospital? Hospital is a location. The answer is, it's on Himno Nacional. Himno Nacional is a place or a location. In this case, it's an avenue or a street. Alright, let's continue. We have how. How. And how asks for manner, quality, or age. In the example, how are you? The answer is, I'm okay. Okay is how you are. It's the quality of your state right now. But we can also ask for age. For example, we can say how. Let's say that we do not use this and we say, how old are you? And the answer would be, I'm 28. And in this case, I'm 28 indicates age. The next one is when. When. And when indicates time or date. For example, when is your birthday? The answer is, it's on February 20th. February is a date. We also have the question word why. And the question word why asks for a reason or an explanation of something. Example, why are you here? What is the reason you are here? Or can you explain to me why you are here? The answer can be, I'm here to watch the concert. To watch the concert is the explanation or the reason. We also have how much and how many. How much and how many indicate or asks for quantity. In the example, how much milk is there? The answer can be, there's a little milk. And little milk indicates a quantity. In the example, how many people are there in the classroom? The answer can be, there are 5 people. And well, you know that this is a number, so a number is always a quantity. Okay, I think this is the last one, yes. The last one is who. Who, be careful not to confuse who and how. It's normal, it's common. Who asks for a person. The example, who is your favorite actor? Actor is a person. And the answer is my favorite actor is Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman is a person. Okay, I hope that was clear. The next item is questions in simple present. Let me write it there. Simple present. Let me change to color white. Okay, so the formula is quite simple, but it's always the same. Don't forget, memorize this formula. It's very, very important. Okay, so we have the formula is question word, auxiliary do or does, subject, verb in simple form, and complement. And we have when do you take English classes? And you can see the formula is followed perfectly. When do you take English classes? All right, let's check some examples here. We have 4 examples. Example number 1, what do you do in the morning? Let's label these. Well, let me read them all. For example, what do you do in the morning? Who do you admire a lot? When do you take a shower? Why do you study English? Let's label all these, and you can see that the formula is followed exactly the same. It's in the same always. We have question word, question word, question word, question word. Yes. I hope that you can see that on your screen. And then the next item is the auxiliary do or the auxiliary does. In this case, I only used the auxiliary do, but it's the same. We have auxiliary, 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 and auxiliary. And okay, so let's see. Yes, we have item number 1, item number 2. Let's see if it's the same. We have the next item. It would be a subject. Let's see. We have it. Of course, we have it. We have the subject. We have subject you, subject you, subject you, and subject you. So yes, the subject is there. And the next item, very, very important as well, is the verb. Let's see if the verb is present. We have do is a verb, admire is a verb, take is a verb, and study is a verb. So yes, we have a verb. And what's left is our complement, which is the rest, the final part of the idea. In the morning, a lot, a shower, and English. Complement, 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 complement. Oh well. Yes. So as you can see, we have question word, auxiliary, subject, verb in simple form, complement. And well, I wrote this line here. So remember, you ask with what? The answer is a thing or an idea. You ask with who? The answer is a person. You say ask with when? The answer is a time or date. And then we ask with why, and the answer is a reason. For example, in what do you do in the morning? I take a shower. Or I eat breakfast. That is an idea, a thing. Who do you admire a lot? I admire my father. Father is a person. When do you take a shower? I take a shower at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is time. Why do you study English? I study because I want to have a good job. Want to have a good job is a reason or an explanation. Okay, just before we go, remember that there are 2 types of questions. We have yes-no questions and information questions. Yes-no questions require only yes or no. For example, do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. And information questions require specific information. And they also require a question word. Oy, that was horrible. Question word. Okay, so we have what kind of food do you like? I like Italian. Italian is our information. Okay, we're about to finish. Just remember Formulas are normally the same. They are equal in English. So question word, auxiliary, subject, verb, complement. This formula will be your best friend. Don't forget. Thank you very much. See you on our next video. Goodbye.